Dear students, hope you all are doing very well. For today's class, I have chosen again, it's from Unit 6 and lesson number 7. Basically, this passage is one of my most favorite passages in your book. So, the name of this passage is Under the Full Moon. Okay, I know you are good enough to go through the passage yourself, but still I chose to read it out before you, just to share the ideas, just to give you a little bit vivid, little bit more knowledge about the family togetherness or about get together party. Basically this passage is something about like that. So I would like to ask you to have your own English for Today book with you, and please open the lesson number 7 from unit 6, and the page number is 61. Okay, here say number B is about read the passage silently. Though they are asking us to read the passage silently, if it was in classroom, then of course maybe we would do it, but right now we can't read it silently because we are now online classes. So okay, read the passage silently. Not you, not right now. So it was Jishan's grandparents' house in the village. The night sky was clear, the full moon was shining brightly. All the family members had delicious supper and sat in the yard. So basically, the hero of this passage is actually our Jishan. So I mean the central character. It is about Jishan and his other family members or his kith and kins. So Jishan and all the other members are now staying at their grandparents' home. It was a full moon night. That means it's a moonlit night. That's why the sky is clear and the nature is quite lively. So under the full moon, they are all the family members, after having their supper, they sat together to have fun. So all the family members had delicious supper and sat in the yard. Jishan's cousins Jahid Shima were very excited. They are the same age. They were also studying at a village school. Their grandparents gladly joined them. It's very common that when we meet our cousins, we are maybe we think that we are at the on the seventh sky, because our level of joy is on that level. Okay, so here the same is with Jishan. So Jishan is actually having a great discussion with his cousins like Jahid, Shima, and in that discussion their grandparents also join. So it's a happy moment, of course, undoubtedly. So they were sitting on a bamboo mat. Basically, bamboo mat is now rare to see, but in the rural areas they are very common. So everybody felt relaxed. So they were talking, laughing, and joking. The children's voices were the loudest. Jahid described how he played for his school in the Upajala inter-school tournament. See, when we meet our family members, we want to show the abilities, and we want to show them our achievements, that what we have done for in our school, or for which of the activities we are being awarded. Of course, I think it's a kind of, it's a matter of pride. I think we all take pride, especially before our cousins. So then, what sports do you take part in? Jishan asked Jahid. So Jahid is Jishan's cousin. So he inquired that in which of the sports Jishan basically is interested. So Jishan couldn't answer. There was no playground in his school and around his house. Very sad. Say, but we are really very lucky enough to have a huge, to have a large playground in our school, Lakers Public School and College, where you know you run to and fro, and Abdullah sir makes you perform all the exercises early in the morning. So Shima also told them how she won the first prize for 100-meter sprint in her school annual sports. She sang a beautiful bhavaya. Everybody clapped their hands in delight. In every family, it happens. You know, whosoever is a good singer, our parents want us to sing a song. Our parents want us to, show our all the abilities before our relatives. So also with me, Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara Khan, told some funny jokes that made them laugh their head off. That means their aunt Jahanara, cracked so damn joke that everyone was dying laughing. So the family gathering went on far into the night. In every family, there are even like a member, there still a member who is always very fun loving, who is always very lively, and who always makes others laugh. So so also I think it's Mrs. Jahanara Khan in Julie's in Jishan's family. So it was actually from this passage you can sense that it's a passage about family togetherness, family get together party or event. So এই ছিলই আজকে আমাদের প্যাসেজটি। তো there's a homework for you that write about your experience when you arrange a get together event or a get together party with your family members or cousins or grandparents and rest of the family members. So what do you do when you arrange such a get together party or event? So write it down, and of course within 15 to 20 lines, and submit it in our Google Classroom classwork. Okay, I will check it out. Say maybe it's not that much of important for your exam, but of course it will be influential for your writing. Okay, so hope we will meet very soon. So till then stay well and take care.